Want to learn how to get logged into your ABtesting.ai app? I'll teach you how to do it today. Welcome back to How to Tutorials. In today's video, we will learn how to get logged into your ABtesting.ai account. For that, I am going to use Google Chrome. You can use a suitable web browser of your choice. Now, tap on the search or type a web address option and then enter here ABtesting.ai. This will give you lots of link. Simply tap on the link on the top, that is ABtesting.ai, and that's a software to improve conversion, so tap on it. As you land on this page, you will see a hamburger icon on the top right corner. Tap on this hamburger icon and then tap on login option on the bottom left corner. As you do this, you'll get an option of sign in, that is entering your email address and then your password. Tap on email address and then enter your email address here. Now tap on password and then enter your password. When you're done keeping both, tap on sign in option on the bottom left corner. So here you can see that you're all set and you already logged into your own account, and I can confirm this by tapping on this profile icon on the top left corner and christineevan768@gmail.com. That's my email address and this is my particular account. So this is how you do it. This is how you get logged into your own ABtesting.ai account. I hope this video was really helpful for you and I was able to help you. So you can see that this is an initial setup and we're all set for going to variation, conversion, goal and integration. So if you have completed your account or not, but this is the one way to get logged in. I'll see you in the next video.